Hey everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be about men's makeup. And I'm with Waki today, and he's going to be my model. And without further ado, let's get started! First, I'm going to apply moisturizer on his face. It's very important to put moisturizer on your face before applying makeup, so I will be putting a primer. This helps to last your makeup all day and also to prevent to see your visible pores. I'm going to apply foundation. I actually want a more natural looking. He doesn't really look like he's wearing any foundation at all. The color corrector I'm going to use is orange because Waki has a yellow undertone. The concealer I'm going to use is to the color of the foundation I used earlier. I don't want to use the concealer for our highlighter for today. I'm going to set it with powder, the same color of the foundation that I used earlier. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this K Palette liquid eyeliner pen. This liquid eyeliner pen can mimic the hair strands on his eyebrows. For Waki's eyebrows, I need to correct the cap he actually had a scar when he is a child way back before. I'm going to add contour on his face by starting from top of his ears. It should be on a straight strokes. After that, I'll start again from top of the ears to the jawline in straight strokes. Lastly, under the jawline, and this kind of the contour for guys is to give more dimension on his face. That's it. This is how I create my men's makeup. And if you have any questions, just put your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Bye! See you next time!
Michelle fight for that white gold. This one's for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpiece. Yeah, she fine, wonder when she my bubble gum shawty and she make it go pop. She throw it in the air and she make a thing drop. She go pop, 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 pop.